According to UN, around
250,000.
rape or attempt to rape cases are registered worldwide annually, which is hardly 10% of actual rate of rape taking place. Around 91.6% cases are not even reported. Rape rate in many countries is still staggering, with many incidents not even being reported due to various reasons like victim blaming, fear of retaliation, humiliation, corruption, unknowingness, etc. The conviction rate is too low in many countries. In India, around one rape takes place every 16 minutes, with around 88 cases being registered daily. The total number of rapes taking place is very high. More than 70% of rape cases go unregistered. The conviction rate is also very low. Around only 27 out of 100 cases results in conviction. The system of punishment for rape cases is different everywhere. Let's talk about the punishments in different countries of the world.
In India, the punishment for rape is life imprisonment to death sentence. After the Anti-Rape Bill of 2013 April, culprits are liable to life imprisonment, which is actually 14 years imprisonment for entire life and even the death sentence in the rarest of the rarer cases. The amendment also expanded to include a lot of other kinds of sexual assault that amount to rape. France has about 15 years to life. The French are pretty hardcore about their rape laws. They hand out 15 years sentence for rape, which can be extended to 30 or life, depending on the extent of damage and brutality. The sentence for rape in China is death, which some might laud for their swiftness. However, execution without a proper trial is just as savage. Proof of the autocratic leadership shows in fact that some convicted rapists who were executed were later found innocent. Castration is also used in some cases. Getting to Saudi Arabia does beheading within days. The punishment for rape in Saudi Arabia is a public beheading after administering the rapist with a sedative. The fact that they hand down the same punishment for drug trafficking as well proves that something very wrong is ingrained in their system. North Korea has death by firing squad. This dictatorship sentences rapists to death by firing squad. Afghanistan, shot in the head or hanged to death. Convicted rapists here are shot in the head within 4 days or hanged to death depending on the judgment handed out by the court. Egypt, death by hanging. Egypt is also one of the places that still follows the slightly outdated mode of death by hanging. In case of rapists though, we think that's pretty okay. Iran, hanged to death. Rapists in Iran are sentenced to death, sometimes by hanging but sometimes allegedly also by stoning, which is a gruesome method to go. Sadly enough, however, the culture here also ends up victimizing the person who was raped. However, Israel, 16 years to life. If someone is convicted of raping a woman, he is liable to be sentenced to 16 years in prison. The definition of rape is quite inclusive and takes also into account other forms of sexual assault. USA, imprisonment for life. The usual sentence for a convicted rapist here depends on whether the trial falls under the state or the federal law. In cases under federal law, the punishments can range from a few years to imprisonment for the entirety of the rapist's lifespan. Russia, 3 to 20 years. Rapists in Russia are usually sentenced to 3 to 6 years in prison. The jail term can go up to more than 10 years depending on the situation, such as if the person causes grievous harm, and can be even higher, 20 years if it's a rare case. Norway, 4 to 15 years. They are one of the most stringent places in regards to rape. Any kind of sexual behavior without consent falls under the category of rape here, and the perpetrator can be thrown in jail for a period of 4 to 15 years depending on how heinous the crime was. They have such a nice prisons though.
These are the punishments from various countries, and we think India should also change the punishment so that no one will ever dare to rape anybody. Share this video as much as you can so that it reaches to the Indian lawmakers. Thank you.